Hello everyone, Abel in Vegas here, and it is time for the rookie card explosion box, and we're up to volume 38. So in my box this month, we have 2017 Top Series 1, Series 2018 Series 2, 2020 Bowman Retail, 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo, 2021 Topps Chrome Retail, and 2021 Topps Pro Debut. And we also got a box with a bonus pack. So let's get started. I'm going to start with 2017 Series 1. According to the list, we're looking for Aaron Judge, Bregman, and Glass now. I personally am not looking for Bregman, but you start off with Will Middlebrooks, Cron, Adam Conley, a Francisco Lindor base, Austin Jackson. We have a King Felix, then and now insert. A Roberto Clemente throwback card. Greatest moments according to. We have an Archie Bradley, Addison Russell, a World Series highlight, Jamie Garcia, and Marcell Ozuna. Up next, we have Series 2, Acuna bat down. I believe now Ohtani is a chase. And there's also the other SP, which is Gleyber Torres. So for the Dodgers, Tom Kohler, the bold look of Kohler. Haha. Giolito, a Reds team card, a Rays team card, a Benintendi, Seth Smith, Carl Edwards, Vince Velasquez, Corbin, and a guy we don't want to name. 2020 Bowman, this is retail, so we're looking for Bobby Witt, Dominguez, Volpe, or a B. Davis auto. And we start off with a Dodger hit of Gavin Lux. Another rookie card of Yamamoto. An Ohtani base card. A insert of Ian Anderson. A first Bowman of Jackson Rutledge. First Bowman of Ulrich Bojarski. A CJ Abrams prospect. Brian Campusano prospect. Brady Singer prospect, Jose Berrios, Rhys Hoskins, and Aaron Judge. All right, next we go to 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo. These are our hobby packs. So, a little bummed this year because I did not get a chance to buy a box of this past December. So this is going to be probably my only forte into this product. But here we have some prospect cards. Here we have Makar Perez, a first Bowman of Landon Marceau, prospect of Ramirez, Ziegler, Alvarez, Holgate, Peguero, Tyler Black, Ronnie Mauricio, Cameron Colley, Rodriguez, Povich, Pinango, Montgomery, Benny Montgomery, Diego Cartaya prospect, Sean Burke, Pinango. Wow, 2 Pinango Chromes in the same pack. Spikes. We have an insert for the Royals, Mozicato and Kuderna. A refractor of Amador. And a refractor of York. Manzardo, Blaze, DeVoe, Leon, Allen, Salas, Ramos, Carter Jensen, Gonzalez, Nick Hazy, and Garrett Mitchell. Save that for the PC. All right. Next up, we have Topps Chrome. This is retail. So it says here, looking for a Kalenic auto. There's also Joe Adele. Mike Pearson. Charlie Blackmon. A Matt Olson Prismic Power, and a retro 35th anniversary of Juan Soto. So we will put that in for the PC. Now we go into Pro Debut. I think these are cool cards, to be honest. We have Adam Seminaris, Justin Fosco, who was the number 14th draft pick, Carter Bromler. We have a backwards beater. Oh, and it's an autograph. Oh, and he plays for the Dodgers, so a cool Dodger hit for the PC. Clayton Beater, number 66 draft pick. Cody Hoesi, who's also on the Dodgers. At least I thought he was. The Great Lakes Loons. Yeah, Dodgers number 1 in the 2019 draft. Grant McCray, Shane Baz, and a Burrow Cataway for the Cubbies. All right, final pack, the bonus pack. So we have an Alex Kirilloff for the Bowman Chrome rookie card. Jesus Sanchez rookie card. Tyler Stevenson rookie card. Nate Pearson rookie card. And a Sam Huff. So there you go, volume 38. We did get a hit for my Dodgers PC, so that's pretty awesome. So I guess I'll post this video. Thanks guys for watching, and catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Some of my cards are available for purchase on Check Out My Cards. Follow my collecting adventure on Instagram and Twitter. Links are available in the description below. Support my YouTube journey by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the notifications. Catch you on the next one.